Welcome to the Opportunity Zone channel. I'm Eleanor Curry, a commercial real estate broker and attorney, and every week I'm sharing some of the who, what, where, why, and hows of opportunity zones so you can assess if it's a good fit for your investment portfolio. And today we're talking about a pretty big date that's coming up. It's December 31st, 2019, and if you're unfamiliar with the date, this date represents a transition in the capital gain step up at year 7. If you invest before December 31st, 2019, you get 15%. And if you're looking at any time beyond that date, it steps down to 10%. So if you already have funds in a qualified opportunity zone fund, then it's a pretty big date, and you want to make sure that your investment begins to work for you so you are able to capitalize on that capital gains appreciation. Now, 15% versus the 10% you will get after December 31st, 2019 may not seem like a big deal, but we're thinking about capital gains that grow in the future. So if you're looking at a property that you expect the capital gains to be maybe $1 million when it reaches that time in 7 years from now, if you invest December 31st, 2019, and you expect a normal tax rate of, let's say, 23%, if you get it before that date, you have now a capital gains appreciation of $850,000. If you wait just one day and get that capital gains in January 1st, 2020, then you're looking at capital gains appreciation of $900,000. That can make about a $12,000 difference in your tax bill. So it's a pretty important day, even though it may sound like it's just an additional 5%. If you're really looking to maximize the opportunity for tax write-offs when it comes to opportunity zones, it's an important date, especially if that 7-year time frame fits into the criteria you're looking at for the whole period for whatever property you're interested in investing in. So it's a date to pay attention to, and really make sure that if your money is already in a fund, that the fund has begun to choose property for your investments to count. And if you have not invested in the fund, you're mindful of your tax situation that can change from December 31st, 2019 to even the beginning of January 1st, 2020. So that's an important time to keep in mind. Make sure you involve it in your tax strategy and are prepared for the changes that will happen after the end of this year. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about what's going on with opportunity zones, make sure to ask and share, and we'll be happy to feature your question on a future episode. Thanks.